Welcome back. Today we're going to start what we call as ternary operators. Now, ternary operators has also one more name which we call as a shorthand if-else. It is called as shorthand if-else statement. What does it mean is basically it is simply just like if-else. There is no difference about it of how the thing works, but it is actually smaller when we write the code. Like when we write if-else, it takes around like 5 to 6 lines of code. But when you do ternary operator, it will be done in just one single line. If I have to show the syntax of a ternary operator, how we write it is. Now the syntax of writing ternary operators, generally what we do is we write it as, we write first the condition. And once we have the condition, we'll give a question mark and then we'll write the first expression over here, colon, second expression over here. What does it mean is how it's going to work is very simple to understand. Here it's going to be a condition. Let's say if it is a greater than b. So if this is the case, if I write a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0. So this condition is satisfying because 2 is greater than 0. So that means this is true. If this is true, this expression will run. And by chance, if I write a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2, then the condition will be false. Okay? This expression will run. So it's just like a shorthand if-else. You will understand this better with a program, which I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, here's a program written in ternary operators. What I did is I took a variable marks using double data type, and I have took the input for the marks. So you can enter any number. Here I did is I made a string variable result. And what the condition I put here is if the marks is greater than or equal to 40, then the person will be passed, otherwise it will be failed. So it's similar to like this, that if this condition is true, pass will be printed. If this condition is false, fail will be printed. So this whole thing, this whole concept is the application of ternary operators. And it will simply print your result for the exam. So let's try this. If I run the code, let's say if I give exact 40 and if I press enter, it shows that you passed the exam. Perfect. Now if I put a number which is less than 40, let's say I tried 38 and I press enter, you failed the exam, as you can see. So basically what ternary operator do is it actually works same as how an if-else or if block work. Here we have the condition checks itself. If it is true, the true part will run or the true expression will run. If it is false, the false expression will run. The only difference you can think of is ternary operator we write in one single line, whereas if else it takes like 3 to 4 lines, depending on the condition and depending on what expression you want to do. So that is the reason we call ternary operator as a shorthand if else. So it's very simple to understand. If you feel like you have any doubt regarding ternary operators, you can ask me in the comment section.